how to pause your Shopify store. I've just logged into my account here, and from the left hand side we want to click on settings, which is located at the very bottom. Now from this section here, again from the left hand side, we want to click on plan, and then you will see your current plan here and billing, and we want to scroll down until we see the option to deactivate store. Now we're going to click on it, and here you will see an option to switch to pause and build. So keep building your business and working on your store without customer checkout, enabled for $10 a month starting. This is depending on when you got your subscription. So basically we're going to click on switch to pause and build here, and it will tell us that switching plans, you lose access to some functionality, including key features. So these are the ones, and basically we just want to click on I understand these changes and got it, and then this will pause your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.